Some recipes don't need many ingredients, just potatoes, a little masala, and semolina for that perfect crunch. This is our favorite Bataat Rava fry. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. I washed and peeled 2 potatoes. Now I'm cutting slices. Now we will place the slices into a bowl of water. Next, wash the slices 2 times with plain water. Then drain the water. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of salt, less than half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ing. Mix it well. A simple coating of masala gives all the flavor. In another bowl, I'm adding some semolina, half tablespoon of rice flour and mixing it well. This is what makes it golden and crispy. Next, we have to coat the potato slices well with semolina. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the potato slices on medium flame. Hear that sizzle? The rava turns crisp while the potato stays soft inside. Once one side of the potato slices are fried, flip the potato slices to fry the other side as well. Look at that golden color, so tempting. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Crispy semolina on the outside, soft potato inside. You can pair this with rice and curry or enjoy just as a snack. Thank you for being here. See you soon. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.